Ignite is an ongoing series of speedy presentations. Each speaker gets only 5 minutes and 20 slides that auto-advance every 15 seconds.
Hi everybody, I'm delighted to be here. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. Well, how do you stay young? Let adrenaline gush through your veins and arteries. Let there be adventure in your life. And you don't have to look far for that adventure. Bicycling could be an adventure, as I found, and I vouch for it. Well, I have taken bicycling to be my adventure 3 years ago, and in a year's time I found myself doing the London to Paris cycle challenge, a grueling 500-kilometer ride. I did it in 2011 first along with my daughter and son, and repeated again in 2013 a few weeks ago, and this time in highly adverse weather conditions. Well, it was raining cats and dogs, and it was biting cold, and it was really a lot of fun doing it. Well, this with my family at the Eiffel Tower after the 2011 ride. And this was on 31st May 2013. I led a 8-member team, Indian team, which successfully completed and then hoisted the Indian flag at the Eiffel Tower. Well, now cycling has become a passion with me, and the latest initiative we have taken up is promoting cycle to work. Well, Cyberabad is shaping up as an international city, and well, the main constraint there is traffic congestion and vehicular pollution. We thought we would first promote cycle to work in Cyberabad. It is good for the people. It is good for your physical well-being and good for our city. It will make our city more green, more eco-friendly. And here we have to inculcate the culture of biking amongst the youth primarily, and we have started working on it in right earnest. As I was mentioning, we have chosen Cyberabad for our campaign to promote cycle to work, and we are in the process of creating the infrastructure for that. When you ask somebody or when you recommend cycling to somebody, then pop up 2 questions. The first is, I don't have a bike. The second is, oh, how do you expect me to bike in this traffic? And we are trying to answer both. We are in the process of creating infrastructure to promote biking. First, with the creation of bike stations. Our bike station, first bike station on the Necklace Road, commissioned 16 months back, 18th March 2012 to be precise, is a runaway hit. And we are coming up with the second bike station at Gachibowli, opposite the Biodiversity Park, and it will be commissioned by the end of this month with 250 state-of-the-art bikes and adjoining the newly commissioned bike track. That will be followed by another bike station which will be coming up at High-Tech City MMTS, and for both these projects, well, trillion thanks to Mr. NVS Reddy Garu. He is supporting us in building both these bike stations, and they will be followed by many more bike stations. And we are also working with various government departments to promote cycling tracks. Well, we will have about 25 kilometers of such cycling tracks crisscrossing Cyberabad. Already 1.5 kilometers commissioned, and another 23.5 kilometers will be commissioned in the next few months. And these are our partners: GHMC, Hyderabad Metro Rail, APIIC, and Traffic Police. Well, we are singularly fortunate that these organizations are headed by not typical bureaucrats, but very proactive people who are very much result oriented. Well, our target for our Cycle to Work campaign in Cyberabad is 5,000 professionals cycling to work by the end of this financial year, followed by 50,000 in the next 5 years. And we want to change the commuting culture of our city, and we look forward to your support. Thank you.